TVK chief Vijay will be holding a rally tomorrow in Puducherry. There are extremely strict norms that have been put in place for this particular event. It's not going to be a road show like we have seen previously. It's not going to be an event that happens along the roads like what happened in Karur. In this particular case, restrictions include only 5,000 people being allowed for the rally. There will be QR code passes for supporters to actually enter to ensure that only the number that's allowed, which is 5,000, actually gather at that location. Pramod Madhav is joining us with more details on this. Pramod, the stage set for Vijay's mega rally tomorrow in Puducherry. I don't know if I can call it mega because we understand that there are several restrictions in place to ensure that it's not massive.
Well, Akshita, one thing is very certain. After the unfortunate Karur tragedy where 41 people had died, this seems to be one of the biggest event after that because earlier Vijay went to a program at Kanchipuram, but that was a closed venue. We've been told that this is going to be an open ground once again. However, Puducherry has limited, the government has limited the participants only to 5,000, like you mentioned, only carrying QR code invites. However, they are going to face a lot of difficulties because Puducherry is a very small place. It's a union territory and it is also having boundaries that is shared with Tamil Nadu. So there is a Kadalur district and other districts that are surrounding it. How the police are going to control that, that's going to be a very big kind of issue that we are hoping that no untoward incident occurs. But right now, Puducherry government has stated only 5,000 people are allowed, and that too, the TVK leaders have requested that like people with young children, pregnant women, elderly senior citizens are requested not to come for this event. That way they're trying to constrict as much as possible to make sure they go over there to listen to what Vijay wants to say, Akshita.
Pramod, for getting us those details. Tomorrow we will track the latest that comes in from that rally. Everyone will also be watching out for what Vijay has to say.